So here is the tiny home. We got it set up, delivered and set up. And of course, she's gonna have a front porch. Here's the inside right now. Super, super cute. She'll have a wall heater, bar stools and bar area, kitchen. And there's no lights yet, but this will be her bathroom. She'll have shelves here for linens and things. She has a full shower. Yeah, so I think it's going to be real cute. I love the tin ceiling. And she has some storage space up there, up in the attic there. And I love these lights on here. Hey!
Hey, what's up?
Hey! So I have a pretty backyard. And we'll have to rearrange the furniture some. I think she's going to get rid of one of the beds and put a couch and another chair in here. And it came with this big TV that mounts on the wall, so she can see it when she's in the kitchen or in here in her living room or the bed. So anyway, we're excited for her. Things are starting to look up.